Hey, what's up, Dex family? Today, we're going to be covering how to buy and sell NFTs safely on Opensea. Let's jump right into the tutorial. NFTs are exploding. You don't want to miss out on the future. I'm going to show you how to buy, I'm going to show you how to sell, place bids, and do a lot of cool things on Opensea. So let's go ahead and get started. We need to connect our wallet first. We're going to be using MetaMask. It's the most popular, and we have a tutorial on MetaMask, and we'll link that so you can get started. So let's click MetaMask. We've connected our account. As easy as that, we are ready to roll. So on the front page, you have the featured collection, which is Other Deed by Other Side, the land sale by Yuga. You can see notable drops. You can see top collections over the last 7 days, over the last 24 hours, over the last 30 days. And then you can see all different trending categories. So you have different types of NFTs, Solana NFTs, art, collectibles, domain names, music, photography, and sports. You have your profile right here. So you can go ahead and check all your NFTs, your created NFTs, the ones you favorited if you're, window shopping and you want to go back to them, hidden NFTs, which are spam, activity, offers, and listings. So one thing to do to keep safe when NFT shopping and minting is making a hot wallet. So this is my account one. What we want to do is go ahead and create an account, and let's just call this NFTs, because when you're minting NFTs and going to various websites, and sometimes these stealth drops, or you're just trying to go super quick, you might interact with a malicious contract. So in doing so would potentially drain your wallet. So if we used an alternative account, so if we used account 9, which was used just to buy NFTs and to mint NFTs, we would reduce a lot of risk. You wouldn't be putting your main account at risk when you're minting these NFTs. Buying and selling on Opensea is cool, but minting and interacting with other websites, you can see this is account 9 because I really I do my best to separate my accounts so we don't see any losses from malicious contracts and bad actors. So you can see this is Other Deeds for Other Side. You can see the floor price right here. I'm going to show you guys how to view a collection and how to price a collection. And then we'll go buy, sell, and place bids. So right here we have Other Deeds from Other Sides. It's the hottest NFT collection right now, dropped about 48 hours ago. You can see the total volume here. So we'll start on the left side. You can see 95.4k items. You can see the owners here, and you want to see as many owners as possible, so it is kind of spread amongst more holders instead of it just being accumulated by 1 or 2 or 3 big whales that can really influence the price. You have the floor price right here, and then you have the volume traded. So if you actually click the floor price, it'll bring you to the cheapest NFTs from from low to high. So you can see 4.38 is the lowest price on this collection. If we go to volume traded, you can see all the latest NFTs sold. So 35 seconds ago, 2 minutes ago, 2 minutes ago, 2 minutes ago, and then you can just take a look at what sales are happening. You can toggle listings, transfers, bids. So before we actually dive into one of these NFTs and go at the pricing, I want to show you on the left side. The left side, you can filter anything you want, filter by price, filter by chains, filter by the rarities, the categories. The ones here have codas are super rare. So if it has a coda, how much are they going to cost? These ones are sitting at 28 Ethereum. So you can really search into what you're looking for. You can filter it any way you want, and you can look for exactly, the rare land or the coda, whatever it is in collection. You can find it on the left side right here, and then you can start looking and placing bids or buying or whatever it may be. So if we actually go ahead and take a look at pricing, you can come here and we'll go for one of the ones that was bought above floor. So this one was 6 Ethereum, and you may wonder, why was this sold for 6 Ethereum while the floor is 4.3? So if you come here into the properties, you can see that these properties, this one has a Fortuna. If I'm mispronouncing that, you can see that 0.12 of these have that. So if you click that property, you can see what they're priced at. So the lowest with this Western resource property is going for 6 Ethereum. So that's how you'd kind of price your NFT. You would look through the different properties, the rarities, and you would want to see what the rarest. So for here, we have this one at 0.12. That means out of the 100,000 NFTs, only 0.12% have this Western resource. So it must be rare. It sells 2 ETH over the floor price. You also have your listings here, your offers from other people which you can accept, and then you have the history of the NFTs right here. So you can see he minted it, then he probably sent it to a hot wallet like I was saying. So he minted it, sent it to another wallet, sent it to another wallet, and then he sold it. So you can see right here, all the different rarities, the stats. If we click a rarity, which is 23%, so 23% of all the NFTs have this, you can see this is pretty much floor. 4.3, that is the floor, I think, 4.34. So I just wanted to show you guys how to quickly price, because if you get an NFT and it does super well, you want to make sure you're not underselling it, because if you look at the volume traded here, you can see a lot of people are losing Ethereum. And I'm going to jump to this set right now to show you guys what NFTs look like when you buy them and they haven't revealed. So when you buy and mint an NFT, or you buy them secondary after mint, they will all look like this. And then you have the chance, it's like opening a pack of cards, you might get that rare card. But with NFTs, before the reveal, everybody has the same chance to get a rare. And if you got a rare on the last collection, if we go here and we go to highest last sale, you can see a rare netted 300 Ethereum. The last sale here was 250, 250, 242, 233. This, of course, is a very popular mint, but if you get a 1 out of 1 or at least top 10 rare, they go for 10, 20, 30, 50, and on a popular collection, hundreds of Ethereum. So before we actually buy, I just wanted to show you all these different options and tools and kind of get your mindset ready for these NFTs, because it's a whole different game. And these will probably reveal in 24 to 48 hours. So let's go ahead and purchase our first NFT together. And I'll go to colonists, as I know that the floor is cheap here, 0.04. I could probably find something cheaper, but we're going to go ahead and just do this. And we are going to buy an NFT. So if we click the floor right here, we can buy now here. We can go into the NFT to check out all the listing details. So all the properties, you know, the price history, who owns it, all the last sales, and all that great stuff. So if we just go ahead and buy this, you can see all the information here. We're going to have to pay a gas fee as well. So when buying Ethereum NFTs, you will be paying a gas fee. So this is $57, and we're going to go ahead and buy that, and then it'll show up into our account. I did use my normal wallet, as I'm not minting anything. I already own this collection, and it's just going to save me fees, but I would be using a hot wallet when I start my NFT journey. If you haven't started yet, make sure you start with the hot wallet so you don't have to go back and start cleaning out a wallet. You want to start doing it from the start so it just becomes habit. So we just purchased this NFT, and you can see it is now in my possession. I'm going to show you guys a few things. First of all, if you wanted to refresh the metadata, so if it was pre-reveal, you would click refresh metadata, and then it would go from the pre-reveal and reveal to your NFT. Transfer. There are a bunch of reasons why you might want to transfer your NFT. You might want to send it from your hot wallet to your normal account, or from a hot wallet to a hardware wallet, is which I would recommend, like a Ledger, a Trezor, and it's very easy to do. So you'll paste the address, and then you will need to pay a gas fee, but it's actually relatively cheap. So you're going to be sending, and gas is high right now, so we can wait, but it's $17 to send this NFT, and last night it was about $5 to send the NFT. So if you hit a major win on your hot wallet, you definitely want to make sure that you send the NFT out of there and it's in a safe area. So after we purchase this NFT, we are now good to sell it. So let's go ahead and sell it. I want to sell it for double. We bought it for what, 0.04? So we're going to list it for 0.01. The listing's going to be on for, let's do 3 months. Let's do 6 months. And then you can see the fees, the creator fees, so a total of 7.5%. We're going to go ahead and complete this listing. Just like any coin you're trading on Uniswap or any DEX, you need to approve it first. So with NFTs, you need to approve it. And as I mentioned, I've already approved this set, so I'm just going to confirm the listing, and it's free to list. And as easy as that, we are now listed. So I wanted to show you guys something which has, worked extremely well for me, and I call it floor sniping. And it's looking at popular NFT collections, for example, the other deeds for the other sides, and then I'll go ahead and I'll go to the floor 4.29 and I'll start actually bidding on them. So you can see this one has no offers as of right now. Okay, it does have some offers at 4 Ethereum. I want a better deal, so I would go to maybe a rare, and we'll look for something that's been oversold. And this is perfect right here, 6.66. If we look at their traits, we can see the Glumia Southern Resource 0.00, was it 0.06, have this. They are listed at 6 Ethereum. So this would be a good floor snipe. And I'm just looking to do this for quick profits. You can see right here, their offers 4.15 and the floor is 6 Ethereum. So you can make a clean Ethereum getting that. So I'll just go over that guy's bid, just over slightly, and then I'll do it for 1 day. I'll make the offer, and then as you guys can see, it's easy as that. You're not spending any gas. You're just putting offers with your wrapped Ethereum, and you can see my offer is the highest one. I'll go back here, and then I'll put an offer here as well. And the perfect thing about this is that you can put in unlimited amounts of offers with the amount of wrapped Ethereum you have. So I have 5 wrapped Ethereum. I could put 1,000 offers. As soon as one person accepts it, all of my previous offers are invalidated. So I don't need to have hundreds or thousands of Ethereum to do this. So I'll go 1 day. I'm going to put 4.2, 420, and I think this will be a great offer. If he accepts it, I got an NFT, which a very popular set right now, the other sides. I got the floor price of about 6 for this Glumia property, and then I'll list it maybe for 5.5, 5.8, and I'll try to make a clean Ethereum. I've had some very successful snipes, sniping 30, 40, 50% under the floor. 11 ETH I sniped at 4, 11 ETH I sniped at 7 or 6, and then I'll list it for a few Ethereum profit right off the bat. This is just a quick tutorial on how to buy, how to sell, transfer, bid, and keep your account safe. If you have any questions, post them below. We're going to cover a bunch more NFT content, so I'll see you guys in the next DEXTools Academy episode.